So I just got the Apple Watch Ultra from EE. Very nice packaging here. As you can see, this is the Ultra titanium case with green Alpine loop, 49mm medium. You can see it comes with the watch, the band, the USB-C charging cable, and power adapter, of course, sold separately. So let's get into this. It just lifts up, I think, like this. Ooh, that looks nice. So as you can see, actually, you get this very nice looking packaging, and you get an your manual. See, I thought Alpine was a sort of green, not really an orange. It still looks pretty nice regardless. Then this is, I think, just a sort of warranty card. Put that to one side. Then you've got one box for the watch itself, then another for the band. So very premium. Oh, this feels very nice as well. So that's the band. This is the So this is the charging cable, and this time around you get a braided charging cable, which also feels very nice. And the watch face is quite heavier than the old one. See, this is my old Series 6 watch, and as you can see, it's got some, it's quite worn. I've had it for a couple of years, but so this is a definite worthy upgrade from what I've seen anyway. It is quite heavy, but it feels and it looks very nice. I ordered this from EE 2 weeks ago and it came today. Trying to open it without damaging it. I'm gonna let my cat in. Bear with me a second. So this is the watch itself. Oh, you see, she's anywho, this is the watch face itself. very pristine. It looks very nice. And okay, the watch band itself is here. Again, this alpine green is very nice. It's the same color as I don't know if anyone saw those alpine green iPhone 13s, I think from last year. It's the same sort of color. It's like an emerald green, a forest green really. And so now it's time to, I am not entirely sure how you put on these bands. It's a new design of band, and I think, yeah, okay, I think I see. Forgive me if this is wrong. Oh God, that doesn't feel right. So that is the unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.